Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great with your friends and family. So today let's make fried rice and veg Manchurian. So for that here I have taken few vegetables, capsicum, carrot and cabbage. So let's make the batter first. Here I have taken the chopped cabbage. Now I'll add chopped carrot and chopped capsicum. And here I am taking few spring onion, 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon grated ginger. Here I am taking 5 to 6 chopped green chilies, and here I am taking 4 spoon all-purpose flour and 5 spoon corn flour. Now we'll pour all and we'll mix all the ingredients together. Mix it properly and we have to make a proper dough. We do not have to add water here because we just have to mix it with the vegetables water only. Here if needed add more corn flour or all-purpose flour if it is not binding properly. Now as you can see its batter is ready. So now we will make the Manchurian balls. Here I have taken a hot pan. Now we'll add small Manchurian balls in it, one by one, and then we need to cook it well from both the sides. Flip it and cook it until it turns to golden in color. As you can see now the Manchurian balls are changed its color, so we'll take it out. So similarly we have to follow the process and fry all the Manchurian balls in the oil like this. Flip it and then fry it till it turns to golden in color. As you can see all the Manchurian balls are ready. As you can see this is our Manchurian balls. So now let's make the fried rice first. Here I have taken a pan. I'll add 5 to 7 spoon oil in it. Let it to get hot and then I'm adding chopped onion in it. Cook the onion in low flame and now I'll add all the chopped vegetables. Here I am taking chopped carrot and chopped capsicum. If you want you can take the French beans also. Mix all the vegetables properly and we need to cook it till it's slightly done. Here I am adding 1 spoon salt also in it. Now as you can see it is done. So I'll add 1 spoon crushed black pepper seeds. Mix well and now we'll add our boiled rice. After adding boiled rice we will mix all the ingredients properly, slowly and properly. You can check the seasoning if you feel you need to add something, so you can add some more salt. So as you can see it is done. Now I'll garnish it with the chopped spring onion. So now as you can see our veg fried rice are done. So now let's do the preparation for Manchurian gravy. So here I have taken another pan and I added 7 to 8 spoon oil in it. Let it to get hot and then we will add chopped garlic in it. Here I have taken 7 to 8 chopped garlic cloves. We'll add all the garlic cloves and we will cook it on a low flame for another 2 minutes. Now as you can see it is done, so we'll add chopped onion. Here I have taken 4 small sized onion which chopped properly and then we added it. Cook it properly, mix it properly in the oil for few minutes I'm adding here 5 to 6 chopped green chilies. Mix it well. Now as you can see, the onion is slightly transparent. We just have to cook this much only. Now we'll add few roughly chopped capsicum and onion in it. Mix all the ingredients properly. We just have to saute the vegetable. We'll cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes in low flame. As you can see, now I'm adding 1 spoon red chili powder, 1 spoon crushed black pepper seeds powder. Mix all the ingredients properly and we will cook it. We do not have to cook all the vegetables completely. We'll keep it little raw so that crunchy taste will come. So now here I'm adding 1 spoon grated ginger. Mix it well. Now you can see the vegetables are looking so yum. I'll add 2 glass water in it. You can add the water as per the requirement of your gravy. So I have added 2 big glasses of water. Mix all the ingredient properly. Now we will cover it and we will cook it till one boil. So now as you can see, after 4-5 minutes the boil has come, and now here we need to add soya sauce. So here I am taking 1 small bowl of soya sauce, add into it, and 1.5 spoon vinegar. Mix all properly. For few minutes we'll mix it and you can check, and then after you can add the salt as per taste. So here I'm adding 1 small spoon of salt and 1 spoon tomato ketchup. Will give a sweet and sour taste. Here I am adding a 1/4 spoon of sugar also. So this will balance the spice level. Mix it well. Now we will make the gravy little thick. So for that I am taking a cornstarch here. I have taken 3 spoon cornstarch. I'll add water in it and I will make a paste like this. Now add it and mix it slowly, and then our gravy will become little thick, as you can see. So I'm adding little more water and now you can see the gravy is almost done. We want this much thickness only. So we'll just cook it for a few minutes and on a high flame only, and just give it a boil. So now as you can see, the gravy is done. So we'll add Manchurian balls in it. Add all the Manchurian balls one by one, and then after we will mix it properly like this. Slowly we have to mix all the Manchurian balls in the gravy. Now you can see it is almost done. So now we'll do the garnishing with little spring onion on the top. So you can see it is done. Let's do the plating. So now here is our yummy and tasty veg Manchurian and veg fried rice is done. Hope you really liked the video. Please do make it for your friends and family, and do share your views in the comment section below. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel, and see you soon with another recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.